تلطم الناس صدورا بالكفوف.
I've come to commemorate the martyrdom of Imam Hussein as it's the day of Ashura and to take part in the various sects of Azadari which we have at the Husseini University. While doing the Mizani, we feel an overwhelming sense of grief and sorrow, and you just feel that you want to take part. You can't just stand and watch. You have to do something. Definitely, because Azadari is what keeps the message of Imam Hussein alive, and if we stop and if we belittle any form of Azadari, we're belittling the tragedy that took place in Karbala.